Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video, we have covered that how to read all tag values of Process OPC UA simulation server using JavaScript. So your JavaScript will act as a OPC UA client and it will connect to the Process OPC UA server and it will read the data, and we can monitor the Process OPC UA server tag data in the console, or you can say the command prompt. Okay, but we don't want to monitor our OPC UA tag data in the console. Okay, we want to monitor them in the browser. Then how we can do that? So that thing we are going to cover in this video. So how to view real-time OPC UA tag data in the browser using JavaScript and the WebSocket. So with the help of WebSocket, we can pass the OPC UA tag data from JavaScript to HTML, and then after we can monitor those data in the browser. So let's see how you can do that. And here is the data flow. So our JavaScript will connect with Process OPC UA simulation server. It will pass the real-time data to the HTML file, and we can open this HTML file in the browser to monitor the real-time data of this Process OPC UA simulation server. As you can see, our Process OPC UA simulation server is up and running. Now we can run this JavaScript code and we can connect with the server, or you can say OPC UA server, and we can publish the data via WebSocket, and we can monitor the data using our web browser. Okay, so let's start, and here is our entire project folder. To run the index.js file, we first have to install the necessary libraries. Okay, then after we can run the index.js, and then after we can open this index.html file in the browser, and we can continuously monitor our OPC UA data. So to install the library, you have to open the command prompt. Okay, then after you have to run npm install to install the necessary library in your system. It will take a while to install everything in your system. Okay, once installed, you will see added 2 to 3 packages. Okay, so once the packages are added, you will see one folder in the project folder, which is node_modules. Okay, now we are ready to run the index.js file. Okay, so yeah, let me run that. So we will run node index.js. Okay, so it will run our main file. So it will connect with Process OPC UA simulation server. It will read the data, it will create the WebSocket, and we can monitor the data in the web browser. Okay, you have to wait for a while after running this file. Okay, so don't close or don't cancel anything. You have to wait until you will get the message that WebSocket is running and it is publishing the data. Okay, you can see connected to OPC UA server. Okay, session created, WebSocket server started, and WebSocket server is now broadcasting OPC UA values. Now everything is done. You can minimize this one and you can open this index.html file. Okay, and here you can monitor your OPC UA tag values. For counter, you can see every second we will have a change in this counter tag value, and for random, sawtooth, sinusoid, square, and triangle, we have the same change at every second. And our JavaScript code, okay, which is requesting the data at every second to our OPC UA server. Okay, so this is how you can monitor your OPC UA server tag values in the browser using JavaScript and WebSocket. I know that this HTML design is very bad, but you can add more interactive design in the HTML page. Okay, and you can monitor your OPC UA tag values in the browser using interactive graphics. Okay, that's up to you, but this is just a demo, and this is just the idea that this is possible with the JavaScript and the WebSocket, that to read the data from OPC UA server and to monitor the data in the web browser using HTML pages. Okay, and here is our JavaScript code for doing the same. So here we have specified OPC UA server endpoint URL. Here we have specified the tag which we are going to read and which we are publishing and monitoring in the web browser. Okay, and here we have specified the time interval, at what time interval we are going to read the data. And apart from that, you will learn by yourself and you can try by yourself. Okay, and if you want to get the code, then you can visit our website, and here you can click on the code and you can get the code. Okay, and you can see here it is up and running and we can monitor the data in the web browser. So I hope this thing is clear, that how you can use JavaScript in the WebSocket to continuously monitor your OPC US server tag data in the browser. So if you have any questions or any doubt in this, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. And this is the data flow diagram if you want to see that again. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Okay, and maybe we will cover this unidirectional OPC UA to MQTT JSON payload publisher using JavaScript in the next video. So till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.